Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq and SPX price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This video is sponsored by Ultima Markets. Ultima Markets is a multi-licensed and award-winning broker. The platform delivers very fast executions, so scalping strategies works exactly when needed. You can use MT4 and MT5, the most trusted forex tool for traders, and a special offer for KG trading subscribers. There's a 50% plus 20% deposit bonus up to $20,000. Start trading with Ultima Markets using the link in the description below. This is a daily close for Nasdaq and the stocks here to see what happened in the indexes. So basically we're still looking to our ending diagonal here, potential wave 5 to finish, of course, this trend toward the upside for Nasdaq. And we are currently in a wave 3 of this ending diagonal where we have already an impulse finished over there. You got an ABC as a correction, and we start to move toward the upside here. Today was very slow, of course, somehow was not the market very active, but we got a 1-2 here, potentially another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We might start to see something unfolding toward the upside. We can see, of course, clearly that this can be your 1-2 as a leading diagonal. Another 1-2 here might be unfolding, or even this, all of it is a correction, and we start to see here several 1-2s on the lower time frame. I would like to see, of course, directly a move toward the upside tomorrow, or of course once the market opens tomorrow, and to see, of course, this blue box hit at least at the 1-to-1 fib level, and even higher, of course, to take the all-time high here. For Nasdaq, I'm still looking for higher, therefore nothing has changed. Today the market was a little bit slow, and we're still looking for higher anyway. For the SPX 500, we have the same scenario potentially here, an ending diagonal where the ending diagonal is looking a little bit more aggressive than Nasdaq. It can be, of course, a 1-2, 1-2, and then wave 3 toward the upside as an impulse here. So 1-2, 1-2, and 3, 4, and a 5. However, if we dive a little bit deeper, we can see that we did not really finish here. We got, of course, wave 4 interfering here, so we cannot consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 actually. Unless, of course, it is a wick here, and we should take it like easy here. Probably can be finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave 3 is still longer in price than the wave 1. Can be finished over there, and you're looking here to something as a 1-2, but I still don't like it. Yeah, I see this as a truncation because it's a 5 waves downward, failing to take the low. Meaning I prefer to consider this as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, probably finished here. And then we move towards the upside, okay? So this is much more likely even to be a little bit much more impulsive rather than being here, of course, in a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 finish there. And having a truncation much more likely here. And that this is your impulse 1, 2. Probably can be a leading diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, a wave 2. And then starting, of course, the move towards the upside. Very likely as well. But I still see some potential for bullish here toward the upside, all of it. I'm not bearish at all, of course. I don't see any signal of bearish. We're still very corrective here, and we're still looking for higher to end up, of course, on a macro level. Of course, this ending diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for SPX and for Nasdaq. So this was the daily close. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.